The 2025 Ford Puma is a compact SUV that blends a sporty design with practical features and engaging driving dynamics. It's a car that stands out in its segment for its unique blend of style, versatility, and performance. Design asterisk. The Puma's design is undeniably eye-catching. Its sleek lines, muscular stance, and distinctive LED headlights give it a sporty and modern look. The raised ride height and SUV-inspired features add to its rugged appeal. Inside, the Puma offers a well-designed cabin with comfortable seats, ample space, and a range of tech features. Performance asterisk. The Puma offers a range of efficient and responsive engines, including a mild hybrid option. These engines deliver spirited performance and good fuel economy, making the Puma a practical choice for daily commuting and weekend getaways. The suspension strikes a balance between comfort and handling, providing a smooth ride and confident cornering. Technology asterisk. The Puma is well equipped with modern technology features, including a large touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone integration, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. These features make the Puma a connected and safe car to drive. Practicality asterisk. Despite its compact size, the Puma offers a surprising amount of cargo space. The clever design of the interior, which includes a unique mega-box storage compartment under the floor, allows for easy loading and unloading of gear. The Puma also offers plenty of passenger space, making it a comfortable option for families or friends. Overall asterisk. The 2025 Ford Puma is a well-rounded compact SUV that offers a compelling combination of style, performance, and practicality. It's a car that's sure to appeal to a wide range of drivers, from young families to active individuals. With its stylish design, efficient engines, and versatile features, the Puma is a strong contender in its segment and a worthy choice for anyone looking for a compact SUV that delivers both fun and functionality.